Lemon balm. A look at its uses and health benefits. Melissa officinalis, which is often just called lemon balm, is a perennial vegetable in the mint family. Lemon balm has a lovely, sweet smell and has been used in traditional medicine for a long time. It is loved for its many health benefits. This video will go into great detail about it. We will talk about its history, how it is grown, and the many health benefits it provides. Before moving on to the details of the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. 1. Roots in the past. Melissa officinalis has a long and interesting past. This plant has been used for hundreds of years, even in ancient times. The Greek doctor Theophrastus was the first person to write about it in the 4th century BC. It was highly valued for its healing qualities. The plant's scientific name, Melissa, comes from the Greek word for beehive, which shows that bees like it. Different nations have used lemon balm for different reasons over time. During the Middle Ages, it made its way into European churches and was grown there for food and medicine. Paracelsus, a famous Swiss doctor and magician, called Melissa officinalis the elixir of life. 2. How to grow it and what it looks like. Lemon balm is a tough and flexible plant that is not too hard to grow. This plant does best in mild climates and can be grown in parks or pots. The herb usually grows to be about 1 to 2 feet tall and has pretty, bright green leaves with serrations on them. Pollinators, like bees, are drawn to its small, white, or pale yellow flowers. 3. Melissa officinalis is good for your health. Melissa officinalis is a useful herb to have in your plant remedy collection, because it is good for you in many ways. Here are a few of the most important pros. Reduction of stress and anxiety. Melissa officinalis is known for its ability to calm people down, which can help lower stress and anxiety. It can help you relax and feel better mentally in general. Improved sleep. The herb can help with sleep problems and make sleep more restful and better. Having a cup of lemon balm tea before bed can help if you have trouble sleeping. Digestive aid. Lemon balm helps the stomach stay healthy. If you have heartburn, gas, or bloating, it can help ease the pain. Cognitive function. Melissa officinalis may improve memory, focus, and cognitive function, according to some studies. This makes it a hopeful herb for people who want to clear their minds. Cold sore relief. Putting lemon balm creams or extracts on cold sores caused by the herpes virus has been shown to help them heal faster. Certain compounds in the herb have antioxidant qualities, which help fight oxidative stress and keep the body safe from free radicals. Getting Melissa officinalis ready to use. Melissa officinalis can be used in many ways, but the most popular is as an herbal tea to calm you down. How to make lemon balm tea. You can use fresh or dry lemon balm leaves. Boil a cup of water and add a teaspoon of leaves to it. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. If you want, add honey or lemon to taste. Lemon balm can also be added to food, made into a tincture, or put on the face to improve its health. Melissa officinalis, also known as lemon balm, is a useful and flexible vegetable that has many health benefits. Because of its historical value and modern uses, it is an important part of natural medicines and everyday health. For that reason, you should always talk to a doctor before starting any new plant treatment, especially if you already have a health problem or are pregnant or nursing. You can enjoy the calming and health-improving effects of Melissa officinalis as a tasty plant tea or in other ways, and start enjoying its wellness benefits. How often should I use lemon balm? Lemon balm, Melissa officinalis, can be used more or less often, based on your needs and how you're using it. Most people think lemon balm is safe, and it is often used in different ways, like as a tea, a medicine, or on the skin. Here are some popular ways to use lemon balm, along with how often you might want to do so. Tea with lemon balm. If you want to, you can drink lemon balm tea every day. It is a mild and soothing herbal tea that can help you relax, deal with worry and feel better in your stomach. Most people drink between 1 and 3 cups a day. Tincture. To get the most out of lemon balm extract, follow the directions on the bottle. Tinctures are usually taken 2 to 3 times a day, but the exact amount needed can change based on how strong the liquid is. Uses in real life. You can put lemon balm on spots on your skin as needed, usually several times a day. For things like cold sores or skin irritations, follow the directions that come with the product, as they may be different based on how it was made. Uses in cooking. Lemon balm leaves can be used in cooking as a tasty herb to make food taste better. It is completely up to you and the recipes you choose and how often to use them. Keep in mind that lemon balm is usually safe for most people, but different people can be sensitive to it. Before using lemon balm often, especially in concentrated forms like tinctures or supplements, it's best to talk to a doctor if you have any underlying health conditions, are pregnant, nursing, or taking medicines. Also, if you have any bad responses, you should stop using it and see a doctor. You should decide how often to use it based on your own goals and preferences, as well as any advice on the product label or from a trained herbalist or medical professional.